What's up and welcome back to another vlog, and today is the trials and tribulations of the Corsa. The Corsa is stuck, so we're here to take it home. We got Dudu. Let's say Dudu.
If I'm not mistaken, the car's in reverse.
But the only way to see, put the ignition on and we check if the lights go on. No.
Not?
Then it's not in reverse. Problem with this car, ladies and gentlemen, is that this gear lever gave in. So now the car is stuck in a gear. But we first have to push it up that way so we can get out. Whew. And it was raining a second ago, so now we're all soaking wet. Nederland.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'm like so freaking soaking. Yeah, bro. I even show it's in reverse, bro. Oh, Master Dylan doing the things, trying to change the gears here in front, which is possible. It's not impossible. Dus die afdruk en stoot, ne?
Of die optrekking.
Wait, ja, die Corsa het wat 'n optrek. Het 'n opligting mos aan nie. Oh, plus the battery is also dead. So you still have to jump it. And my car standing outside, it can't come in here.
It can, but
with problems.
it's not advisable to.
Yeah, plus now with the raining also, you know, stretch tires on this with the rain. Gonna be slipping and I can't get out. Okay, don't worry about that just yet.
Right, waar het is, ek kan die kar nou in neutral insit en kan ons al drie omstoot. Kom.
Yeah, put it in neutral. Let's see.
Won't it be easier? I'm just scared now with it, and it doesn't turn fully. Because if you can push it, so I said this genoeg momentum om.
Yeah, but the turning radius is not big enough.
Ja, bro, van dat is goed, dat is nog goed daar.
So it's not gonna make that turn.
Ons kan hem probeer so.
Yeah, turn the steering.
But now,
Then we push it back that way.
I can put it in reverse and run flop the battery and start it.
No, bro.
Maar hy sê mos die battery se terminal.
No, but
we
put the battery down and then we put the jumpers from my battery to that battery. Yeah. As I say, turn the steering. Let's push it down.
Push it where?
Push it that way.
Push it till about.
Yeah, but I can't turn the steering now. As ek nou die steering gaan draai, ek gaan sukkel.
Nee, dis ook push
No.
it about half, like kom ons stoor dit op wat so hier.
Actually not because
It's also a downhill that way.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. If you can push the car till here, then it's going to be easier. Because this is the worst part here.
No, this section here is the problem. Yeah.
This part, here.
we hope
I can see, I can feel it down.
we can rock him too.
The brainstorming, guys, the brainstorming. Go, Blivodian. Yeah, no, let him come help.
So I'm making a vlog.
Yeah, might as well. Let's get started soon.
I see. Ja, nee, kijk toch.
Nee, dan gaan we.
Ja, nu kan ik draaien.
The keys turning already.
I see. Alright, thanks, gents.
There we go.
I'll draw.
Excellent, sure, gents. And we got her out. She's outside. All we did was took the battery out the Polo, hooked up jumper cables, and she started right up. It's fine. Car will start. I don't got no fear with that transit. The only fear I have is tires. That's the only fear I have with that car. You already put it in another gear. Well, let's see if it kicks. I can always catch up with you. Well, give it a little push to go over the speed bump. Ah, there we go. Alright, let me get in the follow him, and then we'll see how it goes. Plus unplugging the battery now. Definitely reset everything. So now we're gonna reset the radio also. Right, so Dolls, what you gonna do for the viewers?
Right, for the viewers who know or don't know, every single time I come to film, I don't leave here if this car is dirty. But every single time, I need to just put that thought behind in my medulla oblongata, because the car is always clean when I come here, but the engine bay. So today, I'm taking care of that. Even if the car's not clean, at least if I can sort that out.
Yeah, well, at least we had some rain to rinse the car.
Oh wow. That amper rain just made everything worse.
Alright guys, so Dudu's gonna take over the vlog for now. I'm still busy here though. He's gonna take over the vlog, take you all through washing the engine bay. Yeah, peace.
What's up people? I'm still through the sleep. There is love. I'm still half asleep. I look half asleep. But today we sorting out this conundrum, because the car gets cleaned whether it's raining or shiny, whatever the weather conditions are. The car gets cleaned, but here it's so neglected. So that's what we're gonna try and salvage today. What many people fear with engine washes is you don't want to get something wet that's not supposed to be wet. So to avoid that, you get your whatever concoction. What is concoction in English?
Concoction.
Yeah, whatever concoction of detergent you feel comfortable with using. Get yourself a quest. What did he say? A paintbrush. Yeah, a quest. Get yourself a paintbrush in the necessary areas. That's all you do. Put a little bit of detergent and just brush like most of the majority of the dirt. Okay, so people of the pillars, there you have it. Not 100% the way I normally do it. That was just a quick removal of the most dirt, and I must say it looks like a new engine, eh? Except for the parts where I still need to wipe and need a lang kort. Maar wat het is, very important. Don't soak your engine. Don't soak your engine when washing. Just get rid of the dirt. Once you rid of the dirt, then the engine is engineering again.
The engine is engineering.
When the dirt is gone, engine is engineering
Well,
again.
the important part is that the worst of it is gone. So it's not a full engine detail.
No, that was just removal of the worst.
Yeah. And that's what I was hoping for, you know, just get the worst of the dirt off. And then our full engine detail will come in due time.
When the service is when we do the service.
Yeah, we still need to do that. This car's overdue for a service. And I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Oh, Dudu. The Dudu vlog.
Okay, Dudu.
Kudu. And so I hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm still leaving it up to him because I'm still busy. But yeah,
I'm done.
he's doing his thing still. No, he's not. You're wiping still, so you're not done. Done is when you're finished. You close it and it's done. Then it's done.
Hey, not even yet painting comes.
But yeah, I'm still leaving you all in his capable hands.
Oh wow, thank you for that nice words. And so, halfpad nog Eersterust, we conclude the engine bay tidying up. Stay tuned for the proper skimbizi. Dolph vlogging out, signing out. Sharp chegela.
Yeah, now Dose is again doing the most.
No, the least.
Yeah, it's the most. Because I wouldn't have done this.
Yeah, well, that marks here on the windscreen. No.
Just no.
No. It's exactly the same like you go in the morning, you get up, you go shower, but you don't wash your face.
So, tell me, how many times when you come here does this car bother you?
Not every single time. Like before I even get here, it starts. By the time I get here, I'm already past. It's bothering me stage.
This bra's always on some other trip when it comes to this polo. The car's not even clean, but look how busy it is.
Because I still believe
Look here.
fully.
I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see like the car's dirty. The car is fail.
You can't see the camera.
Let's see this side. I know the back you should be able to see it. Look at that. Dirt. Look at dirty. car still needs a wash. This bra's busy wiring with the windows.
It's raining. Oh, it's wet weather.
Yeah, but
And I know I'm the one that always says it can be raining or whatever, as long as the car is clean.
yeah, no, this bra always busy. But yeah, at least engine bay is sorted for now. So we do a proper detail, and then still need to wash this car, and then go check maybe later on today, tackle those indicators, and yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Then that's at least content for this week.
Make it short and then put it there on the other side.
What it do, people? Okay, so click on the slap. Okay, so don't mind me. I'm just doing what was told to do. But anyway, welcome to it. We are going to try and